Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a Volkswagen key fob, and to do this we are going to need a few items. The first thing we're going to need is a screwdriver, a key fob and a new battery. I've got a genuine Volkswagen battery here, and one thing just to take note of is you can see here that the battery does actually have an expiry date. So if you do get a new battery, just make sure that your battery is still in date before you change it. We'll have a quick look at the actual battery itself, and as you can see here, the positive side is on the side with the writing. As we flip the battery over, that is the negative side of the battery. This is a 3-volt Panasonic CR2025 battery, and this basically means that it's 20mm across and it is 2.5mm thick. So to change the battery itself, first we need to flip the key blade out and turn the battery over. And then we just need to pop the back cover off, and there's the battery inside. We take our little screwdriver, put it in the little recess we have there, and either forward and up, and then we just take the battery out. Then we grab our new battery, slide this in, and make sure it clicks in and pushes back into the little recess. Now we grab the back of the key fob and put it back on. Turn the key over and we can just press the buttons and make sure that the LED lights up and the key works, and that's it, you're done.